Are you looking for the best headrest monitors? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best headrest monitors on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. AINAVI 13.5 Android 13 Car TV. This is a fantastic choice for those wanting a high-quality, feature-packed headrest monitor to make long car rides more enjoyable. Pros: sharp 13.5 touchscreen with excellent picture clarity. Easy connectivity options for phones and other devices. Simple installation with universal compatibility. Cons: the built-in speakers could sound better. Screen size might be too large for smaller cars. Requires strong Wi-Fi for optimal streaming. The AINAVI headrest monitor is an amazing entertainment option that really exceeded our expectations. The 13.5-inch display delivers crystal clear visuals, making movies, shows, or even phone mirroring look crisp and vibrant. The touchscreen is super responsive, so navigating apps or settings feels effortless. We especially loved its compatibility with Android and iOS devices. Connecting it to our phone using the Miracast feature was surprisingly easy. It worked seamlessly for streaming YouTube and Netflix. The added ability to download apps right from the Google Play Store made it feel like a full-on tablet for the car. Plus, the 4K playback functionality truly boosts the experience for high-resolution content. Installation was straightforward and required minimal effort. The mounting bracket was sturdy, and the universal design fit perfectly in our SUV. While the built-in speakers worked fine, we preferred using Bluetooth headphones for a more immersive sound experience. For anyone planning frequent road trips, this is a valuable investment. Number 2. Seventour 12.4-inch Android headrest monitor. This monitor is a solid pick for anyone seeking a robust and feature-rich entertainment setup for long car rides. Pros: impressive 4K display with clear visuals. Easy installation with universal mounting bracket. Variety of connection options, including mirroring and HDMI. Cons: limited headphone pairing options. Cannot use the same app on paired screens simultaneously. Requires a stable Wi-Fi connection for optimal performance. The first thing we noticed about the Seventour monitor was its stunning 4K resolution. Watching videos on the 12.4-inch IPS screen felt sharp and vibrant. It works wonderfully for long trips, especially when kids need something to stay engaged. The Android 11 system is seamless, giving us access to popular streaming apps. We especially love the phone mirroring feature, which let us control the screen directly using our smartphone. Setup was fuss-free thanks to the sturdy, universal mounting bracket. On the downside, audio management could be better. Only one wireless headphone can pair at a time, which makes it tricky if there are multiple passengers. Also, some apps cannot run on both screens at once, which might be frustrating for families. These quirks aside, this is an excellent entertainment solution we'd recommend for road trips. Number 3. Seventour 15.6 Android headrest monitor. This monitor is a great option for anyone looking to upgrade their vehicle's backseat entertainment system with a powerful and versatile device. Pros: the display is crystal clear and vibrant, making video viewing enjoyable. The Android system opens up endless customization options. Installation is intuitive, and the mounting is solid. Cons: the price may feel steep for some buyers. The touchscreen can occasionally be less responsive. The audio quality isn't quite on par with premium systems. This monitor feels like it was made to impress. The 15.6-inch screen is sharp and colorful, providing an immersive experience for passengers. Its solid mounting bracket fits snugly, meaning it won't budge during rides, even on tougher terrain. We were able to connect the monitor effortlessly to Wi-Fi and start downloading apps almost immediately. Streaming videos from apps like YouTube worked without any lag, which made it perfect for long car trips. Features like the phone mirroring option are handy when we want quick access to our stored media. Overall, this system is highly versatile, supporting additional devices with HDMI and USB inputs. The ability to sync audio to car speakers is a useful touch, although we found Bluetooth headphones to be a better choice for quieter setups. It's an excellent balance between functionality and entertainment. Number 4. AINAVITO 13.5-inch 4K Headrest Monitor. This headrest monitor delivers vibrant visuals and versatile entertainment options, making it a convenient addition for road trips or family rides. Pros. Crisp 4K display offers sharp visuals with rich colors. Android 13 ensures smooth app performance. Easy phone mirroring supports seamless wireless streaming. Cons. Instructions can feel brief and unclear. Compatibility with certain devices may vary. Larger screen size might not fit smaller vehicles well. The clarity of the 4K IPS display is the standout feature here. Whether watching a movie or playing games, the vivid colors and sharp resolution feel immersive. Even during the daytime, the screen maintains excellent visibility without glare. It mounts securely to most headrests, and the adjustable bracket makes installation straightforward. Running on Android 13, it performs fluidly across commonly used apps like Netflix and Disney+. The built-in Wi-Fi support means we can comfortably stream shows or download games for offline use. The expansive 13.5-inch screen feels perfect for creating a home theater on-the-go vibe, keeping passengers entertained on longer drives. While the wireless phone mirroring is handy, we noticed mixed compatibility with some newer devices. The system setup could also use more detailed instructions. Getting it fully configured took some trial and error. Still, for its versatility, quality, and features, this product is an excellent choice for upgrading your in-car entertainment system.